Okay, so we're going to run through a little bit of preparation for people doing, wanting to put in images to use as reference, especially if you're going to start the Rocky head modeling project. First thing we'll need to do is to create a project for it. So we'll do File, Project, New, and it'll put it on our computers. We just want to give it the right name. So let's call this Project 1. Notice how I put a space, which is not what you want to do. Space 1. You want to actually do an underscore 1. Don't ever want to put a space in here when you're creating these. So then we'll populate, use the false. That way we're going to create a folder at this location. The folder is going to be Project 1. Inside of that folder will be all these subfolders. And then what we're going to do is we're going to import our images, and we're going to save them in the source image folder. So we're going to look for this on our computer and go into the digital Dropbox you'll find on Blackboard and download these two images here, the Rocky front and the Rocky side images. Grab those, put them in that folder, and you'll be ready to go ahead. Okay, so I'm already set up with this, so I'm going to cancel. But you create that Project 1 folder project, and then you'll be able to do what I'm going to do next. Now, I've gotten rid of one of my menus at the top here by clicking out on the little dot, so my tabs and my bookmarks at the top here are gone. Regardless, what I'm going to do is under the front and the side views, I'm going to place those Rocky images. So under View of the front, right, all the way at the bottom here it says Image Plane. And I'll import, and it'll put me right out to Rocky fronts. So there's front, there's side. So I'm going to grab the front and open. So it places Rocky's face in the front. Now I'll choose View on the side, Image Plane, Import, and choose Rocky side. And once that's selected, what I can do is click and drag, and you can see I can select these image plane because I don't want them, whoops, I don't want them on top of each other like this. I want to push those, I want to take this one for example and push it back. So with the plane selected, and I'm choosing the icon that's all the way of these three, it's on the right, to give me the channel box, and then you'll see the front here, and then you can scroll down and choose Image Plane 1 or whatever image plane you have, and then the Center Z, if you click on Center Z and then middle mouse button clicks, you can push, drag this back, or you can key in a value that will put us off screen, so we'll have plenty of room inside the work to build our head. The next, we're going to choose the excuse me, the side image, and again we're going to change the location of it by choosing the center offset of the X. We can see the red X is the channel we want to move it off to the side. So let's make them both at -1.6. Okay, and then space bar. We're ready to start making our character. So you can go ahead and follow the instructions. What it'll have you do, I think, is move those up. See how they're at the center? Probably going to want to move those up, so you can move the center of both of them, right, by grabbing the Y and dragging them up. That's not going to work. So get one at a time and move the image plane center up, let's say 15, and center offset 1.5. Okay, so now you're ready to go.